based on the 1 minute chart. Actually, yeah, let's zoom it out this far so everyone can see. Do we have a new? Yeah, we have a new daily pre-market high. Okay, 21,504. Let's go over the levels since it changed a little. 21,504. Pre-highs 21,504. 8:30 open. 21,495.25. Midnight open 21,405.25. And we have pre-market lows 21,362. Narrative for today looks like from the power of three perspective, sideways chop, but if not, I do have a bullish expectations up until, let's see, yep, up until this 21,529.25 level from yesterday's highs. But if we have consolidation underneath this level, it will come back to the downside, so stay flexible. But otherwise, my first narrative is that I think it's going to go sideways. We have 10 a.m. news today. Michigan's sentiment. VIX is 17 at the time of recording all of this. ES was at positive 0.24% and NQ was at positive 0.28%. And if it is a sideways market again, reduce size, get your scalping strategies ready to go, because if there's no breakout, do not expect any extended run. Yes, for yesterday we had this extended run, but there was no pullback. It just kind of went straight up. Yeah, if you had the pullback maybe on this one 11:30 or 12:15, fine, that's a pullback rip entry, but not based on my levels. So maybe here for pre-market breakout for pre-market highs at 11:20, but it was time for me to go, so I can traded that. But we're probably going to be chilling in the first 30 minutes, or yeah, we'll probably be chilling the first 30 minutes and we'll go from there. Also be listening to Jaden's free Friday Zoom calls, so I'm going to be also putting the audio on for that.
Anyone in Culons? Or took it in Culons? If you make money, tell me. Let me know. Nice. Beautiful. Yeah, that's what I was. That was my
Order
basic
filled.
ideas. You're like a quick scalp on this level, just to get some buffer for the morning. Because we have this level above 452, so the range is small from 419 to 452. Yep. It's okay.
So we're scalping Greg's signal, but stop loss is below here, 418.
Yeah, 15 points is
Order
decent.
filled.
It's good.
Okay, we're out.
For the scalping, it's
Stop
good,
loss.
guys. Depends of the size, it's good. So now we're breaking 419. Let's see if this is a liquidity sweep. Maybe recover 419. So the next daily level I have below is 21,400. 21,400. Okay, let's see what happened at this level. 400. See price. So we bounce a little early, we bounce at 402. My question is, are they gonna recover 419 and pump again? Because if you see the 50 minutes, it looks like a liquidity here. Liquidity sweep. It's what it looks like. Okay, recovering 419. I'm testing NQ loans again, guys. NQ loans. NQ loans.
Order filled.
My entry 424. 21424. Not a good entry, but it's what I got. There you go, guys. There you go. We're trimming soon. Trimming some here, guys. Trimming and kilons, sons. Stop loss at break even. We are
Order
approaching to
filled.
452. To 1452. Beautiful. Come on. Keep pumping. Keep pumping. Stop loss in profit. Okay, stop in profit, guys. Beautiful quick trade. That was quick. Reason why I move it, stop loss in profit, because we were approaching to this 452 level, which I don't like. That's why I keep it a profit. Good money, good money. Let's see if we can take it back again.
Order filled.
Late entry by me from Greg's scalp.
Standing by, looking price action right now. So far, one flat trade and one green trade. What about you? Tell me. What is your result so far? Okay, bouncing again to 1400. Nice. People making money. Okay, let's see if we can take the shorts. Standing by to see if we can take the shorts or not. Testing NQ short, guys. Below
Order filled.
1400. Testing NQ shorts.
Order filled.
Oh, stop that.
Okay, guys, my stop loss is 420. Okay, stop loss hit. Sorry for that, didn't work. Okay, we are back to 419.
Order filled.
Just looking this level here, guys. 419 again. Testing NQ longs, guys. NQ longs above 419. Yeah, I took NQ longs above 419, guys. Come on, baby, keep pumping, keep pumping.
Order filled. Order filled.
Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, guys, dreaming here some. Dreaming
Order
some here.
filled.
Stop loss break even. Just keep hoping, keep
Stop loss
going.
at break even. Took that to the
Come on, baby,
upside.
come on. I know we are in a tight, really tight range. But come on, we need to break this range. Come on. Man, what a range. We need to break this guy.
Got 20 points off of that move, 15 points on the sweep downward, and now we're at break even. Let's see if we can hold. 14-3 divergence playing out. I think that was about a 1 hour trade, but let's see if it's more on the upside. Continuation.
Come on, guys. Come on, come on. 4 to 4 was my entry. Reason why I took it, because we recovered 419. When I see the 15-minute time frame, I can see liquidity above. That means that probably they're going for that liquidity. That was my trigger.
Straight to the downside. Okay, come back up.
Almost runner stop out, guys. Almost. Okay, runner stop out break even. Last runner. 2 green trades,
filled.
1 red, 1 flat.
Okay, nice. Good.
Small profit, but it's good.
Okay, great.
So who make money with Enculons? Small trade. It was a small trade, guys, because this is a tight, really tight range. Yeah.
University of Michigan sentiment.
Yeah, guys, I know it's a small trade, but like I said, this we have 419 and we have 452, and right now they're playing. So yeah, win is a win. That's true. Okay, I seen Savage want to show any sexy picture. Huh?
Okay, so right now I have a lot of buyers in this zone. 430 because there's a lot of bars that crossed it. So right now it's serving as support since we're under it. I mean resistance since we're under it. So VWAP is good.
That's nice, Savage.
I'm too sexy for my love, too sexy for my love, love.
Okay, let's do it, guys. Yeah, we need to make fun, guys. Okay, guys, if I take another trade, I'm gonna wait. Probably we have news, right? 10 a.m. Yes, we have news. I wanna wait for the news.
5 more minutes till news.
I'm gonna wait for the break of this crazy range.
Hopefully it does. And we can look for some breakouts.
Man, they keep bouncing this 419. Keep bouncing, keep bouncing. Yeah, they're waiting for this news.
Yeah, I'm gonna be waiting for the news as well. No positions.
Yeah, it's a tricky spot because look at the 15-minute time frame. We have a big liquidity above. From 9:15 candle, we have liquidity below. And there you go, pumping again from 419. I didn't take it. Like I say, I'm waiting for the news. But let me know if you took it. Anyone took 419 again? For a quiz call?
All right, Team Bowl, what's going on, baby? Back from the exploded tire. The toe has been secured.
Man,
How's it going, Greg?
Another flat tire?
Oh my
Jeez.
gosh, it fucking exploded, bro. Second one in the last few days.
Man, you're driving too fast or what?
Oh yeah, no, Lambo sends the toes ASAP. They don't mess around. First they get the humble Honda. That was the real dagger. I don't really give a shit about the Lambo, but that hurt when the humble Honda. It's like when your kid gets injured, man, you feel it. The Lambo is like the neighbor getting injured. I mean, you feel bad, but it is what it is, you know.
Yeah.
But your kid, man, it's the humble Honda, bro. That shit hurt. Anywho, they got the toe.
I'm gonna check my tire just in case, huh?
Yeah, check your tires, bro.
Yeah, we got already 2 green trades.
2 green trades?
Yep, one small because this range is really tight. I'm waiting for the news. 1 red and 1 flat. You see? It's coincidence, huh? 1 flat trade right now. So people make money already.
All right, Rikers. Pissed him. No coffee this morning either. We'll see how we can trade still.
2 more minutes till news.
What's up, Gene? Right.
Man. Okay, if you are scalping 419, okay guys, keep it tight because 1 minute for the news. If you are still on NQ loans again, please put your stop loss at break even or profit.
Okay, let's see. Damn, you guys got a aggressive move down off the open. Let's see what our 15-minute range is looking like. Damn, Riker is pissed. Sorry, bud. No Lambo rides today. Dad's just going to start walking and riding a horse.
Seconds,
That's my new game plan.
More.
If any of y'all got horse connects, hit me up. I'm becoming a Lone Ranger.
It's 14.3 bearish
I'll just
divergence.
wear my
Let's see if
boots every
it'll
day.
break the
My
range
cowboy hat
up.
on. Trade with Team
Come
Bull. And if I need
flat.
to get
3,
groceries or go to the gym, I'll just
2.
pick up
Oh
Winn-Dixie.
my goodness.
You go. The news hit.
The market
That's
is
what I said,
open.
guys. It's a plus a break even. And they bounced from 21400.
Oh shoot. Sweep up.
Oh,
They're getting the liquidity from the
All the traps.
930
shorts.
candle,
Yep, all the
50 minutes time frame.
all the short trapping all the short
They are
sellers.
grabbing the liquidity.
Might go long here.
what are you in, Greg?
Right now, in nothing. Just looking this liquidity.
Oh, formed another.
Because I have this level 419, 400, 452, these 3 levels, so tight range. And we have liquidity above, so
Liquidity. Kim Riker's tripping. Don't. I was pissed. Okay, let's see here. We're still within our 15-minute first range. I'm not sure.
Another huge.
Oh yeah,
wick.
Perkins, I did. I called my connect there immediately.
Typically, when you see one, there's another candle directly after that, just kind of takes it all out. But 2 big wicks like that signals a bull entry for me from my.
okay guys, now that this wick is clear from the 930 candle, maybe the pumping is coming.
Today is OPEX as well.
I think
Yep.
so, Greg. I think the pump is coming as well. But let's just check. Yeah, so like I was saying.
Okay, we're back on
typically
track.
with
No
the
coffee.
with the 2
Top tire, which
tails
means
after
definitely
it,
a lighter size if I trade today. It's been a very
sweeps
emotional
down.
morning. And if I get my routine thrown off, it's an emotional morning for whatever reason. Today it was no coffee and I popped tire mid-drive, having to figure that out. I'm not going to put on risk. Simple as that. Market's not going anywhere. Market will be here next Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. And week after that, week after that, and week after that.
Yeah guys, most likely the pumping is coming now. Huh? They're heading for this candle, 915 candle, the wick. That big wick they left behind. They just cleared the wick from the 930. Now it looks like they are going for the 915 wick. We are above 419.
Don't. Oh, no spare. Oh, no.
You know, I'm tempted to take the NQ loans. My only concern is this QQQ VWAP. We are just below QQQ VWAP on NQ.
Yeah, right here on the 1 minute.
That's why it make me doubt.
VWAP serving as 1, 2, 3 touches. Didn't even touch. But the more time to touch, the likely is to break.
Oh,
so
what a
this
morning.
could be a breaker.
Yeah, this is my second pop tire in a week, bro.
Man, I see you have a hater. Yeah, guys, like I said, my only concern about the NQ loans is this VWAP above on QQQ.
I can't believe it either, bro.
Like I said,
How crazy is that? How crazy is that? B-ball in the back. Yeah, everything's popped.
Yep. So tell me, who's taking 419 again in kilos? Who's risking it right now?
20
Who
points
took the
already.
risk? Nice. Shorts is in longs. That's nice. Yeah, man.
It's a
There you
healthy
go, guys.
range.
There you go.
won't
80
you?
They're heading
points.
for this week, guys. They're heading for the week. If you go to the 15 minutes time frame, 9:15 candle, you will see that big wick. They're heading for that wick. Most likely.
See, I think it's probably gonna be the same thing as yesterday. Chop for the first hour or two and then give us the nice move at 11. Unfortunately, I won't be at 1 Eastern time.
Yep, me neither.
Or no, 11. I'm tripping. First 2 hours.
Yeah, just said it took a while, no?
Took a while. I ended up catching a banger though. Caught that pretty much whole
Yeah, so
upside move.
Order filled.
I saw your message.
Running
Yeah, that was
bull.
cool.
12 p.m., no? Something like that.
That was cool.
Still playing around, guys. Yeah, this is like I said, guys. This VWAP. They won this week, but the VWAP is in the middle.
Won't you, baby?
Here.
How's everyone's morning going so far?
It's a running bull.
Staying disciplined over dopamine? It better be. If you're not, you need to get your name on that wait list for the upcoming Team Bull Master Mentor program. Super excited for it this coming week and beyond. I'm working on it for a long time. I want you, baby. Oh, come on. Give us some sort of trend move today. This is despicable. I mean, look at this. This is just despicable. No, 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 no.
Another touch on VWAP. Is it gonna come back now? I think so. Yeah.
We're going to watch for a UNH bounce today, too. We have a big gap to fill to the upside. Someone asked if there's any moths in the house today. It was a wasp, bro. There was a wasp in my house the other day.
951.
Tripped me out.
958. Okay. Let's see if we can get push onto the downside.
Let's see here. What about I want you.
Just that. Okay, 600. That's right.
Down on the toe. Can't believe my tire popped. Unreal. Just simply put, unreal. Haven't really missed a whole lot of price action, but still. Crazy.
Man, this range.
Yeah, I know it sucks. Just staying super patient.
Up, down from 419, 419, 419.
It's OPEX, so.
Yeah, it's gonna break hard. This level is gonna break really hard.
What was it, Gene? What popped our tire? It was a pothole.
Maybe it was Brandon, huh?
Yeah, Brandon. He's trying to plot against me. He's a hater.
Yes. Honda and then the Lambo, man.
Yeah, all those taxes for nice big broken roads. It's great. It take 2 years to fix. That's right. Crazy. Mr. Gene. New York, they're called sinkholes. That's crazy. What'd Brandon do? Did he trade well? Oh, nice. Good. Brandon caught a winner. Makes me happy. Brando caught a winner. Brando caught a winner. Oh, won't you to do something, NASDAQ? Had a slight pull down, as we can see in the first 5 minutes of the day, and then this consolidation. No trades in this zone. Nope. No trades in this zone. No way, no how.
Feeling like I want to break even in
Terrible.
this position just to clear my head.
No way, no how.
Okay.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm done with the chop.
It's quite a red. I mean, I'd probably lean to the downside too. Nothing really high probability for me right now.
Yeah. A good side. Yeah, a good sign for the NQ shorts or QQQ puts will be price action just below
Order
21400 and QQQ below 519
Order filled.
point what 25.
Thought I could sneak something in
If
there,
if QQQ stay below 519.25, most likely it's gonna go down to next daily level 516, and QQQ and NQ will follow it. Of course. And now we are playing for 400, 21400 and 21419. Just put those levels in your chart. 419, 400 and 452. And
Order
you will see the
filled.
in again.
that we have been playing.
I don't see anything I like so far. Nothing. Oh, I think this is my toe driver. Hold on. Yo. It's who? Oh, hey, how's it going, man?
Yep. 10 a.m. exactly. We have a new 4-hour level. New 4-hour level I have is 21478. 21478 and 21362. 478 and 362.
What is this first hour of price action? This is horrific.
Just in case if something weird happens. Okay, I'm gonna probably take all of it off at 440.
I hope your longs ripped.
Close
Order
enough.
filled.
Close enough. Scalp the heck out of this. Okay, we're looking for shorts here at 440.
See, the only thing stopping the launch is this big one. Because the liquidity is above, guys. So in theory, they should go up. They should pump. And if you see the levels, they bounce from 21400 and recover 419 again.
Okay, looking for another range trade. 446 will pique my interest. As we have a massive candle. Tell us otherwise. Range trading at its finest.
That baby. What'd you give me, Gene? Damn, Gene got me a gift for my birthday. It came a little late, but that's all right. I'll take the later birthday. It gives me more younger years. See what Mr. Gene copped us for the birthday. But we're waiting for this market to stop. Hey! Nuggets sweatshirt, baby. Thank you, Mr. Gene. I'll put it on right now. Thank you, bro. This is very thoughtful. I don't have any Nugget sweatshirts. I only got jerseys.
Do I do the left side of the V and fade this level?
Oh man,
Oh,
look at
yeah. Come on.
that's what I'm saying, guys. It's coming up now.
No, I have to
QQB
wait.
WAP
I have to wait for the candle to
currently
close.
price showing above. And now we are rejecting this 452.
Gene? I got my sweatshirt on. Oh, I would have won on stream, bro.
Very aggressive on the upside.
Remember, guys, for the new 4-hour level is 478. And the beginning of the 50-minute wick they are heading for is 468. So 478, 468. So in kilos, making money. Again, who's making money? Ben Kilon from 419. Let me know.
Can't short that even. I want to really bad.
Okay. Let's see here. Let's see. Someone asked if I still take losing trades. Of course I had losing trades. I started yesterday with the loser, as a matter of fact. As a matter of fact. Started yesterday with an L.
I have to wait. Where this candle closes.
Yesterday we went hard though. Started yesterday with a loss and came back with 2 bangers. That last trade was beauty. That last trade is beauty. I mean, we caught. What was it? Missed that. We caught this breakout here. We had this higher volume. If you guys can see this, had this higher volume wick right. This was our entry. Wick right here. Entered in the midst of this candle, kept stops below 423 right here, and then we rode this puppy up really nice. It's all price action. If you can see your stop, you're going to trade a lot better. If you can see your stop, you're going to trade a whole lot better. Have much more longevity.
Oh, my mic was muted. I was just saying that we had some testing here, but it failed. But now we have VWAP, and right in the middle of the range where all the candles are getting intersected. The chop, if it respects it, I'm interested in longs over shorts. Shorts where it's going to be a very emotional, quick scalp and like wicks up and down. But this holds, and we have potential to break to the upside, which is what I'm want to see. Our momentum indicators are indicating
No stop, no trade. Hey, DeLeon, how we doing today, bro? Do we end the losing streak today?
So
Get back with the
test
dub?
on VWAP. If there's a second test, I'm going to be very interested. Okay, 440 would probably be my entry as it wicks back up. I won't trade right here. Super aggressive entry. All right. I'm in.
Order filled.
I'm in. Let's just give the trade some breathing room.
Y'all crack me up. As a reminder, anyone listening, I like to throw this out once in a while. If you're getting friend requests on Discord, if you have fake J Duns messaging you or asking you to deposit money, it's not me. The only time anyone would be calling you if you signed up for the Master Mentor program or a mastermind waitlist. I do have a team of people that's getting people enrolled, seeing if they're fit or not. That's it. Yours is next.
Respecting here, bullish. This is the pullback entry. Yup.
Sorry, Sack Honda, you might be cooked on that, bro. Maybe just for you because Honda's in your name, but that's it.
It's gonna be 260. Okay. Here. This is technically.
So if we recover 452, guys, and price action stay above, I'm probably gonna be taking NQ longs.
Yeah, I'm with you there, Greg. $261. We're looking for 2R. Yep, momentum indicators in our favor. All right, this is where it's hands off a little bit.
What is this price action, bro? Even the individuals, I'm looking at the individual names, not doing a whole lot.
I think this will take it out. This will take out the highs, sweep it up a little bit, and then come back
See
down.
NVIDIA, AMD with a massive orb fake out. Yep, it's just OPEX. We might have a move at some point, but right now it's dog water.
Depending on how this candle forms, I might take it out for break even.
OPEX.
Yeah.
Order
take it out
filled.
for break even. Then like how that candle formed.
Well, people were honking at me and being so damn rude, bro. I'm like, yeah, because I want to be sitting here with my hazards on in a Lambo because that's totally not embarrassing. Someone asked about the sharp arm. We're looking good. We're building up.
Okay. Another
15-minute
wick
orb played out
here. Another wick here. I'm gonna enter back long again.
It depends. Trade TOS and edge clear.
Close below. I am going to switch my bias to
Yeah, guys, we
shorts.
reject again 452. Man, this level is strong, like a rock.
Bro, like 10 people honked at me while I was parked. Because yes, I want to be parked in the middle of the road with my hazards on. Because that is exactly how I envisioned my Friday morning.
Yep. Something about this candle didn't look right.
Yeah, guys in Lambos, they just like to sit around and
Okay,
block traffic
back
for
within
fun.
range, so I'm looking for
put themselves in
long
danger.
here at 400.
Totally.
So let's see if we can get that actually. Let's start off with a mini position.
452, guys, what a rejection.
See if we can get.
Anyone took NQ shorts 452? To 1452?
Nope.
Yeah, get off the road. Type ticks. I totally want to be sitting here.
Okay, guys, let's see if we can take the shorts below 400.
Okay, I'm gonna take that off.
Let's see.
See how it respects
Price
it.
action needs to confirm, of course.
100 level hit. Orb. Breakdown, okay.
Breaking 400 right now.
And if it wicks back up strongly, we're back in longs for the range trade again. I'll wait for the close.
Yeah, so morning took
400.
452 shorts. Beautiful, man.
Someone asked about Grizzly. Grizzly is at the DMV. He's not trading this morning. Which is odd because I didn't realize that bears had to get driver's licenses.
Second wick, I'm definitely long.
New national forest law. All bears must be identified.
Okay, breaking 400.
Glad some of y'all like the dad joke humor.
Close above 400 on this 1031 candle. I'm in longs.
Okay, I really
For
am
the
getting
range
old, huh?
trade.
The dad jokes are just coming naturally. What's going on? Someone asked if I took the break of orb. We haven't broke yet. You can see on the screen share. The low is 387. Honestly, with this price action, I'm a little hesitant, to be completely honest. So here's a possible game plan. Is we're showing some weakness. This volume looks okay here.
Oof,
If we can break this, show some movement down here, I may, get some sort of pop up. If we get the pop down, just keep stops above this level. Maybe even go lighter size, keep it above 414 in case they try to wick us out. So that's about a 15-point difference, give or take. So we have the option to try the shorts if we get this move. Stops above here, we just have to use lighter size if you want to have your stops higher.
Needs to be above
And
405.
obviously try to ride the trend down too. Your first target would be this low right here at 362 from around 400. So
400, I definitely am interested.
You have a potential 2R trade coming, but does he give it to us? I don't know. That's all I'm really seeing right now, guys. That's the only possible scenario.
Oof. This actually looks bullish.
That's your best case scenario for shorts. Your most high probability.
Actually, too many confusing signs.
So, Mr. Gene?
Trade. We have that huge wick up, which is bullish. It feels like it's going to take it over, but another wick like that, close below 400.
I prefer who can find me a horse that I can start riding around.
Momentum indicator is.
I'll hit a few big trading days in a row, and I need a carriage because Mr. Gene wants to come too. So I'll need a carriage and then some conductor lessons.
Not agreeing with it, so.
Okay, guys, so far it's showing it's going down. It's waiting for price action.
Captain, I don't know what they're called.
Taking NQ short, guys. NQ shorts.
Oh, shit.
Greg with the shorts.
Order filled.
All right, I'm going in short
Yes,
as well.
sir. There you go. Come on, baby. Come on, keep dropping. Come on. There you go, guys. I'm gonna be trimming some here. Price action is, you know how it's been.
Was that 10, 15 points?
Order filled.
15 points so far, yes.
Nice job, bro.
Thank you. My stop loss is break even for the last runner. Big trade or small trade? Let's see. Let's see if we can get this 4-hour level 362. 362.
Order filled.
Okay, back at my break even.
Keep going, come on, keep going. There you go. More.
Nice job, Greg. Nice job, bro.
Thank you. Trimming some more, guys. Stop loss in profit.
All right. We're in business for some orb
Come on,
shorts.
462. 462. Come on. Sorry, 362. Jesus.
362. Oh, that's pre-market lows.
It was almost top out in profit. It was close. So who's riding NQ shorts? With me.
Close below here for the 1 minute. I'm waiting for the pullback. I'll
Who's
re-enter
taking the
again.
road trip?
3 more seconds. If it closes below here, yep, perfect. I'm waiting for
Stop
the
that.
pullback.
That's a good problem to have.
Waiting for the pullback.
And no one doing it like Team Bull. This much accuracy, this much discipline, this much excitement. Nobody.
Okay, guys, reason why I took NQ shorts. Remember I mentioned the level 21400. Price action was showing, hey, I'm going down. And I took it. Levels and price action, guys. That was the trade. Green is also on NQ shorts. It's nice.
This is going to be the breakdown play that we're looking for.
It's coming, baby, it's coming. Man, you know what? This has a potential to be a mega trade. Why? Because QQQ normally travel from daily to daily. So we just lose 519.25 and the next daily level for QQQ is 516. So this trade has a potential to be a mega trade, guys.
Okay, this is the pullback I'm looking
Mega
for.
Friday will be nice. Come on. Don't do it.
Yeah, orb. Yeah, here.
Yeah, Rapan. I'm gonna make a video how I chart the levels. See, I've been really busy lately. Basically, this 400 was the previous day's what? Close.
Okay, waiting for the downturn on momentum for a short position on the orb. So this is going to be my breakout trade of the day. We had a little bit of practice with the range scalps, but sometimes when things are disagreeing, something's not right like this. So on the 5 minute, we have 4 red candles in a row, 20 minutes of straight downside. So let's see here. I don't have to be early. I can wait for the candle close, and then I'm going to be on the right side of the V. As long as I'm following
It's
the
gonna be
trend.
almost top out. The last runner profit.
As long as I'm following the trend, I'll be
You like the
in
candle,
good
Gene?
shape.
It's nice, huh? I love trading with candle. Candle burning.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. QQQ lose the daily level. Come on. Normally, QQQ likes travel daily to daily. Come on. Do it today. Do it today.
This closes bearish like this. I'm going to enter a
No
position.
reason to go back. It's down or nothing, baby. Come on.
Let's see what it wants to do. Okay, wicks. Wicking. Okay.
Order filled.
Can enter into here.
Dun.
290, guys. 290 will be
Damn, want a little more move up.
Oh, too late for you.
290 will be
That's
mega
annoying.
trade level for me. 100 point. Right
That's
now,
very annoying.
we are touching for our level 362. I'm bouncing so far. 21362. I'm gonna be trimming one more here, guys. Just in case. Come on, come on. Show me the W, show me the heart, show me the flame if you're making money. Thank you, shorts. Who's making money?
I'm making money.
Beautiful, guys. 3 green trades, 1 red trade, 1 flat trade. This will be my last trade for today. Heading to the weekend happy. Happy I made money, happy you guys made money. Beautiful weekend coming.
Show that man Greg some love, baby. Beautiful trade, bro.
Thank you.
Got the early entry. I didn't quite get it, but I'm glad you did, bro.
Thank you very much.
You held the support beam for the team today.
I feel like you can break down some more.
Thank you, Bishop. If you are still on NQ shorts, your stop loss must be in profit, guys. Must be in profits.
Must be in profit.
I don't want any excuse.
Must be in profit.
No excuse. My internet is down. No electricity, nada. No excuse, guys.
Man. Not quite perfect. We never got the close. We got the close below on the 5, but we never got a retest back up. You could have taken the early entry on the 1. So, I mean, that would have been arguably.
Oh, nice.
My gosh. Still moving down.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
You know what it means, right? You know what it means.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, keep it going. No, they're keeping it going.
There you go, baby. There you go.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, sir.
1R.
Every time there's a mega trade, that's coming on.
Yeah, everybody look in the mega tray.
Everybody dance now, don't.
Order
290
filled.
is my mega trade level, guys. What is your mega trade level? Tell me.
All right.
Mine is
Got 4
21290.
positions.
What is yours?
And then we'll have break even. Yep. Just gonna end
305.
for the day. I think I'm a little emotional right now. Just kind of feel, I think, after the range of some scalping range, definitely feel a little bit uneasy. So once I kind of realized that about myself,
Don't. Oh my gosh, you're gonna get a mega trade, bro.
He's coming, baby. He's coming.
You're gonna get a mega trade.
Come on, baby. Come on. I tell
Oh my
you.
gosh.
Daily to daily, guys. From 519 touching 516.52 very soon.
Wow. What a
told you
move,
guys.
bro. Yeah, I don't. We'll see. Greg shot a few bangers. I'm not sure I will. I didn't start off my day on the right foot. Obviously, I went out and
I can close
Order
it here.
filled.
Late
I can
due to
close
my
it here.
tire blowing up. Didn't follow the normal routine.
Excellent.
So
Excellent. Fuck yeah.
no coffee, which is a key part of my morning. I love my caffeine, so I'm not in a rush to take anything. I'm chilling. I'll probably go to the gym a little earlier today.
Nice. TP1 was 25.
Let's see if they get a retest of this
Oh,
362.
what an aggressive move back up.
Yep.
TP2 was 40 points. Okay, not bad.
How much to replace the tire? I don't know. Probably a lot. We're gonna find out.
Okay, we can stay green for the day. We started and we ended up red, down 500, and now we're
Bro
a little
bought an
bit
engagement
green.
ring with
Wow,
today's
that's
profits.
super
Let's
super
go.
bullish. Yeah, something about this didn't really look right
I said,
to
give me half, otherwise I'm spilling the beans.
Okay, 250. Okay, perfect. So we're ending. That'll probably be my last trade, guys. Got my afternoon work to do. Yeah, just in that scalping mindset today, just based off where we are pre-market. Yeah.
What an aggressive pop back up. Right on some OPEX games.
Typically, I don't like these moves. Kill me to see sometimes. Yep, on the 5 minutes, almost taking out the entire body. Super bullish. Yeah, I guess the max for that aggressive push down was right here. Where was I? My entry was 7.3, and this is 2.7. About 50
Okay, guys,
points.
I'm done for today. Beautiful, massive trade, guys. Beautiful, massive
Too
trade.
big. I'm done for today. Slightly green. Got chopped up a little
So
bit.
today's results: 3 green trades, 1 red, 1 flat.
Got chopped up here a little bit. Then
Great job this morning, Greg. You
we
killed that.
had the break.
Thank you very much.
Retest, and then I entered here
Thank
on
you
this
very
candle.
much.
Oh, actually, I think I entered on the second candle. So I entered here at the start. 1040.
You went
and then
crazy
we
on
took
that.
we took the move down. So I'm gonna log this in my journal.
Let's
Hope
see
everyone's Friday's
here.
been doing good, but right now, if you're still trading, right now from the price action,
Something's looking a little fishy with this volume on the 1 minute. Let's see what plays out.
Where price action currently is right now, I can see something maybe like that hitting back.
So remember, we have this for our level 362.
Back up
To 1
here.
362.
That's hypothesis
They
number
just
one.
recovered it.
I think that's likely, but there's nothing that doesn't say it can do one of these and then back down to the downside. So there's 2 options, but I think it's likely gonna do like I showed before. Maybe one of this. Yep. And that's why I got out of the trade as I did. That's why I was in scalping mode in the morning as I did. Man, 3 scalping days. 3 scalping days.
All right, guys. For me, this is way too much of an aggressive move up. We might touch the 15-minute low and reject, but
It's a reverse orb.
Maybe it works,
so
maybe it
you might
doesn't. I'm just
wanna,
not
yeah,
in the risk on mindset to try it right now.
nope, don't. I wouldn't.
Just letting you guys know I'm
try
not
to fish
taking
for
any trades right now.
these how many points is this? 80 points, 70 points. I would try to fish for that move. Yeah, too aggressive on the way up. Too aggressive. Alright guys, hope you guys will have a great Friday trading session. Hope you guys enjoy time for yourself, for your family, loved ones, friends. We live to trade another day, and hope everyone's making money.